Australian native hardwood. It's beautiful and so unique. I just love it. But Aussie timber can be controversial. On the one hand, it's one of nature's gifts to us. It's 100% renewable and actually stores carbon. How incredible! On the other hand, there's strong opposition to it coming from our native forests, and farmers are reluctant to give up their land for commercial plantations. But what if we found another way? What if we were to grow trees on degraded farmland using only the highest quality seedlings, and brought farming and forestry together, making sure the trees were managed to produce beautiful, high-value timber? What if we protected the sensitive parts of the landscape, and the plantations had a mix of species to create habitat and wildlife corridors? We could harvest gradually to keep a canopy. We could process the timber locally and use every part of every tree, from the smallest to the biggest, and everything in between. Even the waste could be used to create energy for the whole process. What if we put the byproducts back in the soil, improving it and then starting the process over again, leaving the land better than we found it? We'd have beautiful Australian timber grown in landscapes that flourish. We'd have a dream come true.